Now, children, just get ready with your maths classes. Yes.
And this we want to write.
Complete silence. Very good. Good morning to all. Especially in maths class, you must not disturb me in between because you will lose that continuity. Okay, children? You must be very, very attentive. Don't worry, I will tell you
Good
everything.
morning, ma'am.
See, don't wish me now. It's already time. Now you have to be very, very careful. Everything is shown clearly in the notebook. Okay, you just take out your classwork note, take a new page. We're just going to have something about two-digit addition over here. Grade 2 maths. Write that heading addition on the first line. What is given here? ADDI. See, it's given the heading over here. Just write addition. When you get the textbook already, you have got it. Some children did not get. You can see all this. Addition. ADDITION. You can write capital.
The date and edition, no, ma'am.
Yes, I told you how to write the date when you open the classwork note itself. New page, when I ask you to open any day, you have to write the date. Practice that. Okay. In the margin, write 17, small hyphen. Hyphen means one small line and one dash line. Then 7, that's enough. 17, 7. That's all in the margin. Write the heading addition. And I will tell you what you have to do. Okay. I will make you copy all the sums first. Let us see whether you are quiet. Okay, now, did you write the heading? Everybody don't say, I will just wait. ADD. I will write here so that I will know whether you have completed. ADDITION. Addition. Now, don't worry about anything. Just on the next line, write Roman number 1. Don't write anything, only when I say you have to write. And see, please write FIND. One day I have to show you like this, then I can give you work. I can send the work.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I told you not to disturb in between. Please, children. Archand and Andit. You have to be there before time. Capital F. F alone capital. IND you can do cursive. FIND. Find. The. 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 Find the sum. Total sum. Total. All together. What is the total number? SUM. Sum. Look at the screen. SUM. Sum of OF. Of. You have to find out the sum of all this. But in bracket, you write CW instead of classwork. You must learn how to write C.W, capital. From some days, I will write like this, and we won't be doing all these things here because you have textbook. I'll make you do in textbook next week. Class work, CW. Now you come to the next line. Just look at the crane. The first column or first square is empty. Write TO. Only write the first lines, children. TO. Leave 2 columns. Leave 2 columns up there. Again, TO. This is to make you not to make a mistake, to make you write without making mistake. After TO, that is tens ones, leave 2 columns. Again, tens ones. TO. In the middle of the square, leave 2 columns. Last TO, tens ones. That's all. Just leave it. Now, listen carefully. We are going to write the first two numbers. Only 36 plus 23. See how it's written? Under tens, T, 3. Write as it is. Don't copy everything, only the first one. 3, 6, 36. See the plus symbol? Sign. Sign should be just after two squares there in that. Plus, see how it's written? Plus 23. 2, 3. Now children, one by one I will ask you to answer. Because you know how to add. Don't worry about 2-digit numbers. Now, you have to take only the first numbers under one's place. Now, all know what is there. Everybody knows. Now, 6 and 3. Now, I want Pritika SS. Are you there, Pritika? No. Samantha, sweetie. Samantha? No. Shashwata? Yes? Why nobody is answering? Shamma?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's that? Tell me. Shamma.
I'm Sachin, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm calling only girls now, not Sachin. Okay, Sachin, thank you for answering. But is Samantha over there? Samantha?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I'm Shashwata.
Very good, Shashwata. Okay, Shashwata. Only when I called, okay, because so quiet, I thought all left the class. Shashwata, can you see 6 plus 3 over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the answer for 6 plus 3? You don't count everything. You can count in your mind and say fast. 6
9.
plus 3. Very good. Now, all must write 9 over there. First, I asked you to add, but no need to keep in your mind anything. Just add 2 numbers fast. No need to keep 6 and count 3 on your fingers and all that. Now, Shashwata, the same question. Can you tell me what is 3 plus 2? Do in your mind fast.
5.
3 plus 2.
5.
5. Now, please tell the answer together.
59.
Very good. Now, children, you must not speak out of your turn. When I call your name, thank you, Shashwata. And now you see,
Thank you, ma'am.
very good. Now you left 2 columns and wrote tens and ones. There you copy 21 plus 67. Now, all know how to copy. Now, 1 minute, children. Just write off ANS just above before that, okay? How it's written over here. Again, you know what? You have to write answer 59. If you don't leave the line also, no problem. You can write the answer 6 plus 3, 59, just above this answer, okay? If you don't want, just leave it. When you come to school, I'll teach you how to write. Now see here, 21 plus 67. 21, I'm not going to tell 2, 1 and 6, 7. Just look at the screen and write 21 plus 67. 21 plus 67. I want Shamma. Shamma, are you there, Shamma?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just see, one's place you have 1 and 7. Only Shamma.
We have to write.
Only Shamma, please. 1 plus 7. Tell me the answer for 1 plus 7, Shamma.
8, ma'am.
Very good. Write 8. I will talk to the children whom I am calling. That's all. Now, Shamma, you finish writing 8 there. Tell me 2 plus 6. Slowly. After writing 8, 2 plus 6. Keep the big number in your mind and count in your mind fast. 6 plus
8, ma'am.
Very good. Now you have 88. Now all are writing this in your classwork note neatly. No questions of can I write? Can I write? Those who are joining late, just continue. Now the next one is for China Grace. China, get ready. Already I told you to write T and O, that is tens and ones. Just below that, write 44 plus 22. China, don't tell me the answer, only the when I ask question, you must answer. Just copy 44 plus 22. Now, China, are you there? See, I'm telling you, I don't want any answer, please. I want you to answer when a question is asked. 4 plus 2 in one. Tell me the answer, Shaina. 4 plus 2.
66.
Only 4 plus 2, Shaina. Listen to me. Ones place 4 plus 2. I don't want the whole answer. Listen to the question. Just tell me the ones place number 4 plus 2. What will you get when you add 4 plus 2 in ones place? Answer.
6.
That's all. Thank you. 6. Now write. Don't tell the full answer. I don't want. I want you to answer step by step. Now, tens place also, you have 4 plus 2. Tell me 4 plus 2.
4 plus 2 is 6, to ma'am.
6. Now listen. Now everybody got this answer. Parents, let them learn how to answer. You don't tell any answer to everyone, I'm telling, because they are too small. They have to learn to listen to the questions. Otherwise, they all will be telling chorus. Now, very good, all the 3 children. Just check once because I won't go back to that. Just check once. We'll go to the next. I will tell you what you have to do. Okay. Now, everybody finish this? Everyone? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
If you now wait. Take another page. Take another page. Don't do it there. You'll make mistake. Take. Listen. Don't sing. Don't sing.
Yes,
Somebody
ma'am.
sing. Take another page. 1 minute. No need to write find the sum of because already we wrote on in the first page. Now take the first line over there. First line. Take your next page, not on the same page. Now leave the first column, first square, same way. Right?
The date.
What I am telling you, listen. If one asks question, everybody will ask. No need to write anything, only next page you continue. Just take the first line, first row, leave the first column, write T-O. Only once when you start, you must write the date. Don't write again.
Ma'am, should we write this?
I'm Children, if you disturb, I will not continue the class. I'm telling you, leave the first column in your classwork note, new page. Write on the second square T. Next square O, that is ones. Leave 2 columns. Don't write any numbers. Again T O. T O, tens ones. Again leave 2 columns. T O, that's done. On the first row, leave first column, tens ones. Leave 2 columns, tens ones. Leave 2 columns, tens ones. Why I'm telling you, again I will not tell you how to copy this. We may ask you to copy from your textbook some numbers. You have to write like this. Afterwards, you can leave T and O, all that, because you will know. Now, come back to the first tens and ones. How it's written there. 15, you write 1 and 5, 15. Below that, 4 and 2, 42. Then plus symbol, sign. Exactly like that you write. I will tell you how to do it. Then 10, 1 and 0, 10. So you have 15, 42, 10. Check once again, because if you make mistake while writing the numbers, you will get wrong answer. Now I will call Tanvi. Are you there, Tanvi? Tanvi, you answer me, Tanvi. Yes. Now just look at the first sum, Tanvi. Okay, don't worry about anything. Have you written this, Tanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you have only take ones place. You don't start with tens place number. Always start from, now when you look at the screen, start from right side, okay? Now you have 5, 2, 0. You add 5 and 2 in your mind and tell me the answer. 5 and 2 first. 5 and 2. Tell me the answer.
7, ma'am.
Yeah. Somebody else is screaming there. Now 5 and 2, 7 you told me. Now with that number you add 0. 7 plus 0.
70.
No, only tell 7 plus 0. Add 0 to 7. What will you get?
7, ma'am.
Very good. Look here. Can we listen carefully? Okay. So when you add 0 to a number, you get the same. You got 5 plus 2, 7. Plus 0, 7. Now do tens place number. Do tens place. You have 1 and 4. Add the first two numbers. You take the big number 4 plus 1. What is 4 plus 1? 4 plus 1.
6, ma'am.
No, I want only 4 plus 1 can be 4 plus 1. First two numbers.
5, ma'am.
Very good. See, only Tanvi. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, first two number, then the third number. What is 5 plus 1?
6, ma'am.
Very good, Tanvi. Very good. I'm very happy that you all are doing it in your mind very fast. Others, won't disturb. Only when I call your name, you must answer. Now, you left already the first two squares up. You got T and O. You have T and O. Now, this question goes to Arush. Arush Bothra. Okay. According to the roll number, I'm coming again. Now, please write children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arush, don't worry. You copy the numbers. 44 plus 22 plus 33. See how easy it is for you now. I thought it will be difficult, but I'm very happy about it. 44, 22 plus 33. No need to put two signs there. Okay. Only one sign is enough. No need two signs. 44 plus 22 plus 33. Now don't tell me the answer. Listen to the question. Arush, when you are ready, you must tell me yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the numbers in one's place? Read out one's place. What are the three numbers in one's place? 4. Read.
4, 2,
3.
3.
Now you cannot do all three together. Some children will do it in mind. But now what you have to do is you add 4 and 2. First two numbers in your mind and tell me. Only 4 and 2. Tell me the answer. 4 and 2.
6.
6. Add 3 to that. 6 plus 3. Add 3 to that. 6 plus
9.
3. Very good. Now children, many may make mistake. After adding 4 plus 2, you will write 6. Don't do it. Add all the three numbers. No need for you to write there. 4 plus 2 plus 3. Keep in your mind, write 6. Good, Arush. Now come to tens place number. Come to tens place number. Come to tens place number.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me the first two numbers. 4 plus 2.
4, 2.
4 and 2. Add and tell me the answer. 4 plus 2.
6.
6. Very good. Plus 3.
9.
Very good, Arush. Very good. Okay.
Thank you.
Now, leave 2 columns. Already you left here.
Ma'am.
Leave 2 columns. Already you left here. No. Okay, Tia, no. Now, this question goes to Ahil. Ahil. Good morning, Ahil.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Ahil. Now, just write 20, 32, 41. 20, 32, 41.
It's 9, ma'am.
No, I'm not asking you any question. You just write 20, 32, 41. Don't say anything. Now, take one's place number. What is first, Ahil? What is first? Tell me the
20,
first
ma'am.
number. Listen, first number in one's place. Tell me, Ahil. First number in one's place. 0.
0, ma'am.
Yes, don't worry. Now, second number is 2. Add 0 plus 2, what will you get?
2.
2. 2 plus 1.
3, ma'am.
Very good. See whether ma'am got it right. Yes, write 3. Now come to 10th place. Don't worry about anything. Come to 10th place. Ahil. Now tell me what is 2 plus 3 in 10th place?
It's 9, ma'am.
Ma, no, only 2 plus 3 you tell me. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3.
5, ma'am.
5. What is 5 plus 4?
It's 9, ma'am.
Very good. Now you got the answer, but you must listen to the question. Okay. Now this is done. Now nothing. You can close your classwork note now. You can close because you have to look at the next topic. Close your classwork. You are not going to write anything. Is it clear to you? I'm just waiting for you to close your classwork note.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, close your classwork note. Then
Okay,
only I will
ma'am.
start next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now, just look. This is your homework. Don't do it now. This should be done after class because you have 2 days. Don't do, but I will ask you to tell me the answer now. Answer won't come here, okay? Now, I will call Alan George Verghese. Don't write anything, please. Close your notebook. All close your notebook. Now, Alan. Yes, Alan, nothing. You close your notebook, look at the screen. Only look at the screen, everybody. Ready, Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you have 3. Only Alan, I'm asking. No need to write, please, children. Close your notebook. It's written, the heading homework. This is your homework. You can write later. Don't do anything. Just listen to me. Close your notebook.
Should we take the printout?
Close your notebook, children. Just close and look at the screen. Alan, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you tell me? I don't want anybody to help these children. Answer won't come there. I want you to answer. What is 3 plus 5? Quickly in your mind, you add. What is 3?
8.
Yes, very good, Alan. Very good. Leave it, okay. Now, that's all, nothing. So, when you write, don't write anything, children. Just listen. The next question, Akhilan. Only you have to answer me. No writing. Akhilan. Akhilan, are you there? No. Oh, okay. Next to be Rida. Rida. Rida.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
see the first line. Alan told me what is 3 plus 5. Now, same line. You listen to me. Listen to me. Same line you see. 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3, Rida?
8.
So, you have the same answer. Alan told 3 plus 5, 8. You told me 5 plus, yes. You told me 5 plus 3, 8. Children, now wait. Just look at the screen. It's only 2 numbers we have written. 3, 5. The other side also 5 and 3. So if you write If you exchange and write the numbers, answer will be the same. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, I'm just teaching you. Now, next question goes to Riha Jas. Riha. Riha. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you
Riha
see
Jas.
question number B? 7 plus 1. Don't write anything. Can you see 7 plus 1?
7 in the mind.
Don't say. You say in your mind. And say, tell me the answer. 7 plus
Ma'am,
1.
8. Answer
Very
is
good.
8, ma'am.
Very good, Riha. Next one, Sanvi. Sanvi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, welcome. You're welcome. Sanvi, 1 plus 7. Sanvi, are you there, Sanvi? Yes?
ma'am.
What is 1 plus 7?
8.
Very good. Now you got the same answer. See, 7 plus 1, 1 plus 7, you get the same answer. Now, this is your homework. Next one, Sona. Sona. Sona.
Ma'am.
Tell me what is 2 plus 6. See. See.
2 in my mind.
No. Listen. You have to. You can keep it in your mind, but you must not tell it out. You keep the big number in your mind and add 2 fast. 2 plus 6. Always it's better to keep 6 in your mind. Big one here. And do it in your mind and tell me the answer. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6.
Ma'am, 8.
Very good. Now next one. Tangareknam. 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 6 plus 2. 6. See, Tangareknam is not listening to me. You have to listen to the question. Tell me the answer for 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Look at the screen. Tell louder. Very good. Very good. Now the next person is Virthi. You have to tell me the answer for 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0.
6.
Very good. Very good. Fast. You add 0 to any number, you have the same number. Same number. Now I want Alvin Jonathan. Alvin Jonathan.
Ma'am.
Alvin Jonathan.
Ma'am,
0 plus 6. 0 plus 6. Very good. Very good. Now I have no problem with both the classes because they are very good in maths. Next one, Ange John. Question number E. Ange John. 3 plus 1. From your mind, say the answer. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Yes, Ange? Are you there? No. Dhruv. Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is 3 plus 1?
4.
Very good. Next, Harish K. What is 1 plus 3, Harish? Harish? What is 1 plus 3?
Ma'am, I think he's thinking.
No, wait, who's this now? Sona, please don't answer, Sona. You must learn how to answer.
Given in the text.
Harish, what is 1 plus 3, Harish? See, now all are talking. Harish, are you there, Harish? Harish? No. Naren? Naren? Harish, please answer me.
I don't answer.
Never mind. Harish, you keep 3 in your mind. Very good, Harish. This is the way you must answer, Harish. See, keep 3 in your mind. Count the next number, Harish, and tell me. 1 plus 3. 3 keep in your mind and add 1 to that and tell me the answer, Harish. After 3. After 3. Tell me the next number. After 3, what is the next number? Still you don't know, Harish? You will get after 3. Tell me, 3 plus 1. Never mind. You will get 4. Okay, don't worry. Now just look at this. Look at this. No need to write. Any number plus 0 gives the same number. Don't write. It's 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 0, 2. If we add 1 to a number, we get the next number. See, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 1, 7, 1 plus 1, 2. Children, you have to do that homework in your classwork note. Is it clear? You know which is your homework? I'll show you once again. This one you have to copy. Just look at the screen, children. You copy this in your classwork note and do it. Okay? Monday onwards, we'll use textbook exercises. And special, now don't say anything now. Special class children for today, I'll call out the name. Today, Andit, Archant, Ashwant, Cyrus, Ritik, John, Kevin, Kushagra, Logesh, Mithilesh from A class. Now B class, Inian, Jasiel, Jake, Jeshu, Johan, Jonathan, Judah, Kabir, Manu, Muhammad. Children, one small request. Yesterday when Cleona ma'am was taking English class, she had a problem with her system. So just forgive, okay? Just don't worry about it. She'll tell you later. Okay, there was a problem and ma'am just asked me to inform because ma'am has no class with you today. Okay, children, don't worry about it. Ma'am will tell you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Mohammed means Mohammed Faizan, no, ma'am.
yes.
Only, okay.
Now listen now. Yes, 1 minute you're asking for Muhammad Faizan, B class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now listen. Leave the classroom, go for a break, come back for EVS. Okay? Come back for. Thank you. Thank you so much.